Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and that was a loud one. Today I've got another short. It's not going to really be short because this is we got a short little unboxing slash unpackaging video to share with you guys. This is this month's Going Gear EDC Club package, which have been really great. Honestly, the last almost a straight year of really good packages. Early on in this program, I think they had a little bit of a rocky road, but they figured out what people like and what people don't like, and every package has been cool. Of course, the benefit of watching me unbox this, because if you got this month's package, everybody gets the same stuff. It's like I always mention, it's not like they send the coolest stuff to the influencers and then everybody else gets nothing, right? No, it's the same for everybody. But largely the benefit of this is you can decide whether or not you want to do the premium or the non-premium, or check out the items individually without actually doing the EDC Club box, right? That's the benefit of watching me do it. So I'm going to open it up, show you guys the contents, and then of course link Going Gear down in the description so you can check all this stuff out if you want to. Thanks so much to Going Gear for sending this in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's get into it. I'm going to try not to slice into anything that I don't need to be slicing into. Maxxis, Ace Beam. Hold on. Some kind of little EDC something or other there. I don't know what that is. And then we got okay, a patch. And then here we go. Oh, no, there's one more thing. This deal right here. What is that, a lock picking kit? Okay, I don't know what that is. We're going to find out. Okay. Here we go. I'll read over it, but I'm going to let you guys pause it right here if you guys want to look over it yourself. All right. So, what is the EDC folding knife? The Slice EDC folding knife. That's this thing. That's what I'm interested in. This unique spring-assisted folder blade is the perfect lightweight alternative to carrying a traditional knife. The Slice Pocket Tool has solid and durable metal handles, replaceable finger-friendly blades, and is ambidextrous so you can use and abuse this knife without worry. Slightly under 4 inches long and weighing 2.7 ounces. We think you will enjoy having this around. All right. What is it? Finger-friendly? Okay, so it's a little tiny draw cutter. No tool blade change. All right. Durable metal handle. Underwhelming. Ceramic blade. Underwhelming, to be honest with you. But okay. I mean, like, I don't know about $30, right? But, I mean, it's made of metal. There's a lot of good stuff out there for $30. So that one right there is kind of you know. Let's move on to the... Oh, it is a lockpick set. Schomer Tech Bare Minimum Lockpick Set. We were able to get this high-quality minimalist lockpick set from a recent overrun on a military contract that is made up of a feeler pick, rake pick, and tension tool made in the USA. That's actually kind of neat. And it's not that lock-picking sets are, you know, like ultra rare or anything like that. I've just never actually tried it. I have a bunch of different old padlocks here. And I would actually like to try my hand at it. I think that actually sounds kind of cool. Not because I plan on breaking into any buildings, right? But there definitely have been situations where I have padlocked something and then lost the key. And while I could just use a bolt cutter, right? It would be at least a little bit more fun to pick the lock successfully. You know, just so I could be like, I picked that lock, right? For nobody. But that is cool. That's a $13 value, which it sounds just about right. NOSOX patch. Okay. It's just a patch. $10. All right. Ace Beam H16 headlamp, right angle flashlight, $40. Rechargeable 14500 battery, 1,000 lumens. That actually looks kind of neat. The Ace Beams are usually pretty nice. Let's just get it out and look at it. These almost always end up as giveaway items. Okay, yeah, sure. That actually does look nice. I'm a big fan of flashlights, and I think the $30, $40, $50 territory is always a good, you know, we'll pull the little tab off of there so that we can actually get an idea of the light when it's on. We'll spring an O-ring down there at the bottom. Whoops, there we go. There it goes. Do we have different... Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. It's back down to normal. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So with this mounted like this, I'm not sure exactly how we... Oh, okay, it says... Oh, you mount it sideways? Oh, it's got a headband. That's how... I was like, well, on the bill of my cap, that's not going to work. But if you use the headband, okay, which it comes with it. All right. Obviously not acclimated fully to the flashlight world, so that wasn't immediately obvious to me. I do like that you can just stand these up, though. You know, I mean, I feel like that's how I would use them the most, is just standing them up and pointing them at something, right? Rather than trying to lay it down and have it roll away. So you just hold it to do that. Okay, pretty cool. I'm actually going to put this back on before I forget about it, because when I inevitably send it off as a giveaway item, I would prefer that it does not turn itself on while it's being shipped. Okay, and then last but not least, far and away the most expensive item. It's actually worth more than the entire package. Like, I mean, this. If they haven't changed the price, the premium version of the EDC Club box is $200 a month. So the value on this Giant Mouse Ace Grand is actually $225. All right, so obviously with these boxes, you don't get to know what's inside, which I think is, I really feel like they should tell you like what's going to be in the next box. I think that would incentivize, and then just allow you to buy the boxes you want, right? Oh, this is actually one of the ones that I liked. Yeah, the Ace Grand is actually one of the knives that I liked the most from Giant Mouse. So yeah, it's got a nice blade. It's on the larger side. Nice tumbled blade, nice micarta handle. There's some titanium for the backspacer and for the lock, I believe. Do we actually have... no, I think that's actually steel, right? So these are made in Italy. M390. The Ace Grand is definitely one of my... And actually, well, the action on that is really good. I always remember Max Ace knives having... Or not Max Ace, sorry. Giant Mouse. It's got the word ace in it, sorry. I always think of Giant Mouse knives as having unnecessarily tight action. But that really isn't bad at all. Not at all. Definitely one of the better looking knives from Giant Mouse. Of course, I like this spine, or the crown spine, and the jimping that's actually in the right spot. It's funny that so many... It's wild to me that other companies don't do this, right? They put it back here. What really makes me mad is when they just, like, they stop it at the frame. A lot of times when you need the thumb to be, you know, assisting in stability or whatever, it's out here. So having the jimping out here is great. I mean, a lot of companies just run it the whole way down. But having it out here is actually really beneficial. So I like that. Action on this... That's the best action I've ever seen on Giant Mouse. Usually it's super tight. This is nice and smooth. All right. Pretty good, especially with a knife there at $225, right? That's going to be pretty much it. Thanks again to Going Gear. I'll link this. I'll link their website down in the description. You guys can check out these items individually or through. You can check out the Going Gear EDC Club box if you want to. Please. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.